To open a Santander student account, start by checking if you are eligible. You must be a UK resident and have a confirmed place on a university or college course that lasts for at least 2 years. You will also need to provide proof of your student status and identification. First, go to the Santander website and select the student account option. You can apply online or in a branch. If you apply online, you will need to fill out the application form with your personal details, including your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide your university or college details, including the name of the institution and the course you are studying. Next, you will need to provide proof of your student status. This can be a university or college acceptance letter or a student ID card. You will also need to provide proof of your identification, such as a passport or driving license. You may need to go to a Santander branch to verify your documents. Once your application has been approved, you will receive your account details and a debit card. You can then set up online banking and download the Santander mobile app to manage your account. You will also need to set up a standing order to pay in your student loan and any other regular payments. As a Santander student account holder, you will have access to a range of benefits, including a free overdraft, a credit card, and a savings account. You will also have access to exclusive discounts and offers. It is essential to manage your account responsibly and keep track of your spending to avoid going over your overdraft limit. To get the most out of your Santander student account, make sure to regularly check your account balance and transactions. You can do this online or through the mobile app. You should also set up account alerts to notify you when your account balance is low or when a payment is due. In conclusion, opening a Santander student account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or in a branch. By following these steps and managing your account responsibly, you can make the most of the benefits and discounts available to you as a student.